All right, you guys, it is now Thursday morning and Tyson's loading all the girls up, headed off to dance. Let's go. All right, so we loaded up a little bit too early. I didn't realize how early we were. It's still 15 minutes until dance started. So I just came here to sit in front of our favorite little duck pond that you guys have seen us at so much. Because it's like right across the street from where the girls go to dance. And so we're just sitting here watching the ducks. Evie keeps saying it's the ocean and she wants to go swim in the ocean. Although it is snowing. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like a slight blizzard out there. And that's crazy because this is like really the first snow of the season that we've really had down here in the valley. But I have this trick. You guys know that Tyson is grounded from going to dance class because the girls are terrible when he goes. They do not want to go in, they just want dad. So I've grounded him, but me and Mindy and Stephanie have come up with like a system. And I don't show up until like literally 2 minutes before dance class starts. Mindy and Steph put their kids in the class and then they run out to the car and they help me get the girls in. They're so awesome. We run in, we strip all of their little outfits off and their shoes off so that they're just in their dance clothes, and Steph just ushers them into the class really fast. We have like a system and it's been working. They're not crying anymore. They like are totally fine when we go in. I think it was like going in too early and then it was just like too much time for them to think about it. And they were like, I don't like this. There's a lot of people around, a lot of kids. So that is the system we've come up with and it's working. So we'll see how well it works again today. In the meantime, we're just gonna sit here for another 10 minutes and watch these ducks float around in the snow. Here we go. Steph's got two, and I love that they just willingly go to her. I've got two here. This girl's already practicing her dance moves. Huh, Ev? I love your little two-step you do. And I got Ezzy right here. Hi. Are we gonna do dance class? Yeah. Is it so fun? Huh? Are you gonna be brave girls? Yeah. Are you? She's saying sachet. Oh my gosh, she's going sachet, sachet.
Oh, good job.
Hi, Mindy.
Hello.
Again. Okay, very successful day. Again, no tears. Our system worked. It was amazing, and the girls are happy and in dance. Here, Hazy. There you go, babe. Hi. Did you have fun? Oh my goodness. Hi, Hazy. You want to open it? Oh my goodness. You girls are so lucky. Can Mom try one? Yeah, you're so sweet. Mom's going to try one. Hi, baby. Did you have fun, Evie? Those are yummy. Hi, May. Did you have fun in dance class? Yeah? What? You want to drink a water? Okay, let's go. Oh, did you get a Valentine? Oh my goodness, Mindy, are these from you? They're from, okay, I'm not Mom of the Year. These two are Mom of the Year. I did not do Valentine's this year.
We have older kids and we did it for classes.
I did not do Valentine's this year. Girls, are you getting a drink? Let's see. What'd you get, Scarlett? Is that from Hazy? Okay, let's go to the car. We'll open it. That's your Valentine from Hazy. Okay, girls. Who had fun at dance windy. Ezzy, little fact about Esme, she hates the wind. Is it windy? She hates the wind. Whether it's like 90 degrees outside or 20 degrees outside, she hates the wind. Okay. All right, we are loaded up in the car. That is a workout, just in case any of you guys were wondering. The girls did amazing at dance class. Girls, was dance class so fun?
Yeah.
Who had fun? Say me. Me, yeah, that was so fun, huh?
I do it.
You do it? So,
So
next week for dance class, I'm gonna be gone. I have a training that I'm going to for my company. Luckily they're awesome and they spoil us, and the training is on a cruise ship. So I will be going on a cruise ship next week, and Dad has to bring them to dance class. A little nervous about how that's gonna go, so we'll see how that turns out. Are you girls gonna be so good for Dad next week?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna go to dance class nice and show Daddy how nice you can be?
Yeah.
And how brave you are?
Yeah.
How are you brave? Scarlett, are you brave like a what?
I like a princess.
Evie says she's brave like a princess, and Scarlett says she's brave like a lion.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The girls have like literally just this week have completely caught on to the please and thank you thing. They tell me thank you for everything. And he came in and she says, give me a kiss, Mama. I gave her a kiss and she goes, thank you. Like they just say thank you all the time. I think it's so cute. Look at their new sweaters, I bought them. Good job. Oh, we have a thief. Indy, go get it and give it back to Ezzy, please. Ezzy, did she steal your toy? Indy put her on her hat and made me tie that blanket around her waist and said, I'm going to church.
All right, guys, the girls have just made their own fort. They've got some bridges, and what they're doing is they're going under them and then out the top, and then they'll come back. Okay, Ev, show us how you get over here and go under this bridge right here.
Okay.
What do you do? Can you show me? Okay. So you go up top like that, then you come down. It's like a little maze, and then under that one. Good job. And Scarlett goes over the top. You did it! And then there they go. And back over to this one. Are you guys having so much fun? And now they're down there tickling each other. Yay! All the housework, Indy? Sweeping the floor? Thank you so much. Oh, you're the one making the cookie messes. And Indy's sweeping up the cookie messes. Sister to sister. I love it. Thanks for helping. That helps Daddy out so much, girls. Girls all sitting here watching 101 Dalmatians with their popcorn. I'm thinking Mom's loving it more than the girls are.
Where are we, Indy? Are we gonna get waffles?
Shopping.
Shopping? Yeah, we're gonna go shopping next, huh? Dad with those two. They're going to get drinks. Baby, what do you have? Ice, baby. Dun 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 dun. She's just like her father. That one, Daddy. She has never even tasted Coke before, yet she knows that that's the one her dad got, and so she thinks she needs it.
Girls enjoying their waffle love this morning. Everybody's killing it. Mom got chicken here. Mom, how's the chicken?
It's good.
Good. Girls seem to be enjoying it. Is it so good, Scarlett? Are you getting enough whipped cream? Do you think you have enough?
Where's the chicken nugget?
Evie, what was your favorite part? Evie?
Whipped cream.
Which one?
Whipped cream.
Is that whipped cream? Oh, thank you. Indy.
Rick.
Oh, geez. Indy, what was your favorite part? Jeez.
Yeah, and she's been eating all my chicken
She
too.
ate the whole thing.
That one.
Ezzy, what was your favorite
I
part?
want
The raspberries?
chicken.
The cream.
I want
cream.
chicken. I want chicken.
Okay, finishing up breakfast and then off to Costco today.
What are you girls doing?
Girls are crazy.
Silly monkeys.
Oops, sorry.
White, Daddy.
Oh, you want the white Elsa one? Which one do you want?
Elsa.
Did you guys get Teeny Nana yogurt?
Chili no.
Oh my gosh. Let's go catch up to Mom. She's way up there. Okay, let's go down this aisle. Okay, this grocery store is so big. I think we lost Mom. I don't know where she went, but we found some white fudge pretzels, so that's all that matters, right, girls? Now we just need to find Mom. Mandarin oranges, is that the one you want?
Yeah.
Hey, let's try them. Should we try this one?
I want
I've never had this kind.
kind.
Okay, I'm gonna get one for you too. Oh.
I'm gonna pick.
Do you like that kind, girls? Let me show me what kind you got, Deb. Oh, those look yummy. Oh, Barley, those look so good. All right, girls just got done picking out cereal. What did we get?
That one.
We got Fruity Pebbles.
Don't do it.
Scarlett wanted the Reese's Puffs.
That
Ezzy picked out the Oats All Berries. It looks like we got Bentley a treat. Oh, yay! Some dental treats.
one. And my lady. Ow.
Okay, we got, wow. Oh, we got some hairbands too. We got a little bit of everything, huh? All right, what produce are we getting, girls? What do we want? Which one do you want, Scarlett? The asparagus or the basil? You want the basil? Do you even know how to use basil? Do you know how to cook? You gonna be a chef? What are you gonna cook Daddy for dinner? What are you gonna cook Daddy? Hey, who's pushing us? Hey, who is that? Who's down there? Oh, it's a pie. It's a pot pie.
Look at this. Do you see any color? What color do you see? Green, you're right. But there's no red or pink on here, right? Do you want Mommy to buy this? And I will show you how if you water plants and put them in the sun, they'll bloom flowers. Should we do that? Should we make some flowers? Yeah, does that sound like fun? What color do you think they'll be? Green. Ezzy just thinks they'll be green. What color do you think it'll be?
White.
White? It could be white. What color do you think? White. Indy, what color do you think it'll be? Do you think pink? We'll have to water it and then we'll see what color they'll be, okay?
Okay, the girls are helping Mom get everything up on the belt. They're doing so good. Are you helping? Can you get all the rest of this up there on the cart? Good job, girls. Indy, are you helping Mama? Yeah. Yay! Good job. Good job.
Girls, it's like a hot air balloon.
All right, we just finished grocery shopping. It is a beautiful day here in Utah. Look at this. It's supposed to be 50 today. We might even get outside and play. The mountains are so pretty, just the tips covered with snow. Gorgeous today.
Girls, it's the first snowfall of this season. Look at that. Is it on your hands? Wow, that is blowing.
You guys are excited. Snowing outside.
So excited.
They're a little excited about the snow. Indy! What is Oh my gosh!
You guys get a lot of snow here.
Do you love it, Ez?
It's snowing in your hand, Ezzy.
You guys get a lot of snow.
Yeah.
Snowy in my hand. I see it. Snowy my hand. Hey, come on.
That is a lot of snow that hit last night. That is deep. That's like
It's still
probably 4 inches. Boy, it's cold, huh, girls? What is it, Indy? sleepover last night with Kaya and Stella.
Kaya and Stella.
Yeah. Okay, hurry, come in, girls. Let's close the door. It's cold. Uh-oh. Okay, throw it. Oh, okay.
Are you Scarlet? Are you Scarlet?
Scarlet.
Come here, come on. I know Scarlet likes me.
No.
Mommy has
Okay, girls, remember when Mommy showed you the flower at the store the other day and how it had no flowers? And then we watered it, and look at it now. What color are our flowers?
Green.
Green, and what else?
And purple.
No, white.
White.
White, you guys were right. You guessed that they would be white.
Uh-oh. Hey, come see.
Andy, come see. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everybody gets to see. Don't touch them. Don't touch them. Everybody smell them. Smell them.
Let me smell.
Good job. Good job. See, that's how we make flowers grow. Okay, let go. Let me see. We put it up in our windowsill, and then we water it, and then they can grow. Are they pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool, huh? Good job, girls. I bought these for the girls for their birthday, and I couldn't figure out how to put them together. So I never did put them together, and I finally called my dad, and I was like, you have to figure out how to put these together. So we took them home, put them all together, brought them back yesterday, and the girls love them. Hi, Abby, you taking your jacket off? Oh my gosh! So, what's my name?
Mamacita.
Mamacita. What's your name?
Mamacita.
That's so funny, Scarlett. So we got sent this package from Mexico City today. The girls are loving their dresses and their dolls, and apparently now we're all Mamacita.
3, 2,
Hey girls, how old is Mommy? 1? How old are you?
Esme.
Oh, you're Esme, okay. Who do you love the most, Mommy or Daddy?
Mom, Daddy.
Oh.
Mom and Daddy.
Mom and Daddy, that's the right answer.
Mom and Daddy.
Indy, what's your favorite color?
Colors.
What color is your favorite?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Okay. Evie, what color is your favorite?
I love white.
You do love white, you're right. What color is your favorite, Barley?
I love brown.
You love brown. I like that color too. What's your favorite color, Ezzy?
Purple.
Purple? I like purple too.
I like that one.
I do too.
I love rainbow.
Me too. I love rainbow
I
too.
like rainbow colors.
I love rainbow colors too.
Purple.
Oh, wow, Evie! Oh my gosh, look at that! You're the best jump roper ever! I love it!